When you search for the best interior LED lights, everything looks the same. Same flashy colors, same claims, and honestly, it can get overwhelming. But to find the ones that actually make a difference in your ride, you need to look a little deeper. Product number 1, Govee Car LED Lights. Priced at $16.99, these lights caught my attention with their smart op control and vibrant RGB options. If you want your car to stand out with customizable colors and music syncing, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Govee lights come with a DIY mode that lets you choose from 16 million colors. Imagine being able to create a unique atmosphere in your car, whether you're having a chill evening drive or a lively road trip. Plus, the built-in mic syncs the lights to your music, making your favorite tunes come alive in a whole new way. With over 4,000 units sold just this past month, it's clear people are loving these lights. Now, some people complained about the adhesive not sticking well over time. Here's the thing though, as long as you clean the surface properly before installation, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's all about the prep. This is perfect for you if you want a fun and customizable lighting experience in your vehicle. Skip this one if you're looking for something super permanent and high-end, but for $16.99, it offers great bang for your buck. Now, if the op control of Govee lights isn't your style, check out the next option, which takes a more straightforward approach. Product number 2, Tech Shinny Car LED Lights. We have the Tech Shinny Car LED lights for $12.99. These portable USB rechargeable lights caught my eye with their touch control feature and 7 vibrant colors. If you want something easy and fun for quick installations, this one's a great pick. The Tech Shinny lights come with 6 bright LED lamp beads, allowing you to easily switch between colors with just a touch. This means you can easily add a pop of color to your dashboard or storage spaces without the hassle of complicated setups. Plus, they're rechargeable, so you don't have to worry about replacing batteries. They charge in just 40 minutes and last about 2 hours, making them perfect for short trips or quick decorative touches. With over 4,000 sold recently, they're clearly a hit. On the downside, some users mentioned that the lights can be a bit dim in bright daylight. But honestly, for nighttime ambiance or indoor use, they shine brightly enough to create a cozy atmosphere. This is perfect for you if you want something portable and easy to use. Skip this if you need something that stays illuminated for long periods, but for quick fun lighting, it's a steal. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a long-term solution.
Product number 3, Sealight 194 LED bulb. While the price isn't listed here, it's known for being budget-friendly. This bulb is designed to replace your standard dome lights and license plate lights. If you're looking for a bright, energy-efficient option, this is worth considering. The Sealight bulb is 800% brighter than traditional halogen bulbs, delivering a crisp 6000K white light. This means no more dim or yellowish light inside your vehicle, helping you see better at night. It has a lifespan of up to 50,000 hours, which means you can install it and forget about changing it for years. That's a huge selling point for anyone tired of frequently replacing bulbs. Plus, it fits multiple socket types, making it versatile across different car models. Now, a few users mentioned installation could be tricky if you're not familiar with bulb types. But here's the thing. If you take a moment to check your vehicle specifications, it's a simple plug-and-play process. This is perfect for you if you want reliable, long-lasting lighting in your car. Skip this one if you're looking for something more decorative, but for functionality and brightness, it's great value. Now, if you want a more comprehensive combo pack, the next product might be right up your alley. Product number 4, YoGear Car LED Bulb Set, priced at $6.99. This set comes with 24 different LED bulbs, perfect for those looking to replace multiple lights in their vehicle. If you want a comprehensive solution for interior lighting, this one's a fantastic choice. What's great about this set is the variety it offers. You get 24 bulbs in different sizes, which means you can replace everything from dome lights to license plate lights. The LED chips provide consistent and flicker-free light, ensuring a clear view inside your vehicle. With a lifespan of 50,000 hours, you won't be changing these out anytime soon. Plus, they're designed to be easy to install without any special tools needed, making them accessible even for DIY beginners. However, some users reported compatibility issues with certain older models, but honestly, most vehicles today should fit them without a hitch. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly way to upgrade your car's lighting. Skip this if you have an older vehicle model, but for most, it's an easy win.
Now, if you're looking for even more options, the final product is a solid kit that covers all bases.
Product number 5, Zakalac LED Bulb Kit at just $8.99. This kit includes 42 pieces of various LED bulbs, making it ideal for anyone wanting to completely revamp their car's interior lighting. If you want versatility and plenty of options, this is the one to check out. The Zakalac kit includes bulbs in multiple sizes, ensuring you have options for dome lights, map lights, and even trunk lighting. Each bulb is designed for easy installation and made with energy-efficient LED chips, meaning they'll brighten up your vehicle without draining your battery. With 42 pieces, you should have more than enough to cover your car or even multiple vehicles, which is a huge plus. On the downside, some users found the variety overwhelming if they didn't know what they needed. But honestly, if you take the time to understand the sizes, it's a fantastic deal for anyone wanting to customize their lighting setup. This is perfect for you if you want a complete lighting solution for your car. Skip this if you prefer a simpler option, but for customization lovers, it's an awesome value. To wrap things up, we covered some fantastic options today. From the smart Govee lights for customizable vibes to the comprehensive Zakalac kit, there's something for everyone looking to upgrade their car's interior lighting.
Each of these LED lights has its own unique benefits. The Govee lights offer customization. Tech Shinny lights provide portability. C-Light bulbs are bright and durable. Yogi Air offers a budget-friendly variety, and Zakalac supplies a comprehensive kit. Depending on your needs, any of these could brighten up your ride in just the right way.